one of the best programming language just for kids. Kids and also for some people who want to get started to programming language. If you know Scratch, then welcome because today we are brainstorming. So yes, we'll get started. If you don't know what the when green flag click, most of the people know, but if you forget what this does, is when you see this, yeah, this, where can you find it? If you found it here, you're correct. It's a flag. The flag, if you click on a flag in the bottom part, it will be there. So like it's forever, go there, go there, like that. So first we'll and also this corresponds. So like if you do this, it'll use this. So first, when green flag click, what will happen? We want to make this a collecting game where you touch the edge and you lose a life. It'll stop all and you lose. And we need to move around. Yes. So for that, we'll use a forever loop. A forever loop is is doing something forever. Inside it, something will happen forever. You can do this. You can do this. I wanted there are two ways actually. Point towards mouse pointer and then tell move 10 steps. This is a more polished way, but there's a reason sometimes it's worse. You see, when we go like this, when it touches, it's like this. But I still want this. Or if you want it to look a little better, but like doesn't go around, like doesn't shift around its position. Yeah. If you don't want it to shift around its angle, then go to tell mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is over here. That means go to mouse pointer. It'll be like this. I don't really like this, so I'll put this. It's your wish if you want this. So yeah, it's all good. We have the main mechanic. Now we'll add the variables. Now this variable we can delete. If you want, you can rename this as score. 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 Score is to keep track of how many times you collected it. So, like if there's a ball or some prize over there, uh, over the on top at the score, you can just take it like that. So now we have the main thing, the main formation. First, we'll put this to 0. Every time it happens, it will go to 0. So now, what will happen is, it'll be like this. If you want, you can add this, but I'm adding this. So whenever it's not there like this, it'll just work. See, just in case if you really need it. After that, what you'll do is make a new thing. Okay, what we do, new like price. We'll make this a apple, and also make this into size of 30 because then it would be easier. If you're using like this or even this, now whatever, what go to mouse pointer, then what will happen is it's even drastic. What's gonna happen if we don't put a if we don't put something called a wait? Actually, the wait is how many seconds you can wait. For example, here you can wait. Yeah, but if this happens and you click and then it suddenly goes over here, then you want it at the edges if it's stuck and you coded it so that if you touch edge then you lose. Then what will happen is that we can't do anything and then we lose forever. So that's why I'll wait for 3 seconds. No, put it on top of there and then do this and then throw it like do this. change size. Sorry. You have a choice of going somewhere. So for now, I made a small mistake. Set. Set it to 30% of what you expect. All you have. Oh, wait. It'll work. Look at that. It's all nice and smooth. Now what we want if you touch, score increases by 1. Here's where it happens. We'll go to Apple. We'll get a one green flag click. Okay. Then what will happen is put a forever. If you just were supposed to use a if, don't put like this, or else exactly when we do click on the green flag, it'll do it. After that, it'll never. That's why we need a forever. It'll check forever unless something happens. Okay. Now forever, if touching the cat, touching is in the sensing area. So you just click on touch. You just get the touching thing and then put sprite 1. Sprite 1 is the main character. Let me just tell player and Apple. So if touching player first, if you want this, it's your wish. Go to random position at the start and then again go to random position and change score by 1. Now we have a fully functioning but also very nice. Look at that. Look at that. You have your first develop. No, second actually if you get the new Python one. So like yeah. So now what we'll do is if touching this edge, okay, if touching this edge, before that actually, if you somehow pause us at with touching like this, then we just need to go over here. I need to drag it over here. Here. I want it to be here, somewhere here. So now, what will happen? That's why we need a wait. Or else if we touch the edge, I already told you what's gonna happen. So yes. So we'll just put the thing. I just like this scratch cat for some reason. What happened? What? Oh yeah. Now we'll just code it. Mm. Oh, it's very hard to just like put it. Go to this position and then if we need a if right now touching. You know the touching. I've already explained, but yeah, you understand, right? Now after this, we want it to stop all. It's inside the controls category. You just put it inside. Now look at this. Uh-huh. Can add effects. I want to add one effect. Actually, what it is look. Sorry for the traffic sound. It's coming horribly a lot. It's Hyderabad, where so there'll be a lot of traffic. 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! And also, if you want attracting, so like for example, you want to draw a line till like that. We'll have a category. Like you choose an extension. Wait, it's called pen. We'll just tell pen down. Okay. Now just wait. Look at that. Already it has. If you put this thing, change pen effect. The thing what happens is that it has less color than the normal sprite one. So like it's not the accurate as normal one, but like yeah, it works for a lot of people. Yeah. So and then put erase all after this. It'll be like wait, I forgot one thing. Wait for 1 second in here. 1, 2, 3, go! Looks like it's lag. You understand why? Because we have a wait for 1 second. So all you got to do is put it over here. No. After the wait 3 seconds one, like this. Now 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. But it's very colorful and all. If you want this also to be colorful or add something, just add it. Choose a backdrop or something. I would want it. What is that? I don't know, but like circles. This is new. Circles is new. Chalkboard isn't new. There, chalkboard is new. Boardwalk is new. Uh, Nebula. I want it to be nebula. I would make this a star actually then. There is a way to make a star with triangles. Let me check if there are any stars normally. I make yeah star. Look at that star. Or just destroy this. Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Nebulas. You can also make this go forever. Like what I'm telling is forever. Change change this. Okay. Change the color. Like this. Change color by one every single second like that. Forever. 1, 2, 3, go. Chika chika. Chiku. Chika chika. Chika chika. Chika. Ah, what a nice one. Looks more colorful than what I used to do. Especially with the nebula added. I actually don't know if it's added or what, but it probably is. Because I never seen it in the old blue one. But I still like the old blue version because I like blue. If it was red like Turbo Warp, if you don't know what Turbo Warp, it just enhances it. Like you don't need 300 clone limit thing. With you can break the barriers. It's using C++ to work. So yeah, that's it.